Welcome to Trade with KC, episode 13. Today, I'm revealing something huge, a simple, effective, and most importantly, a profitable Forex algorithm. The best part? You can copy it and start using it right away. This might be the most powerful combination of indicators you've ever seen. Stay tuned. Forex trading involves significant risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. The content of this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. The methods discussed here were learned from Nonsense Forex, and I take no credit for their creation. Always conduct your own research and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Game plan. Complete algorithm. Results. How to use it? Live trading. Here's the complete algorithm. Each indicator plays a specific role. Some are used to identify trends, others to analyze if there's enough volume, and some indicators are only used for risk management. Those of you who followed me from the start already know this algorithm well. Since episode 1, I've explained why I use this specific combination of indicators and what settings work best for maximizing profits. If you're feeling a bit lost, I recommend starting with episode 1 to get your algorithm set up properly. Of course, you're welcome to finish this video, but to really understand everything, it's best to begin with the first episode. Results. Starting with $10,000 on January 1st, 2024. Following each trade signaled by the algorithm, we would now be sitting at $13,300. That's a remarkable 33% return in under a year. Warren Buffett is considered one of the best investors on the planet. He averages 19.8% per year. As of today, we would have outperformed the greatest investor by 13.2% this year. Here are the detailed results. Return on investment, $3,305. Average drawdown, 4.08%. Highest 7.39% and lowest 1.27%. 167 trades for the year and an average of 6 trades per pair. The win rate stands at a whopping 77.68%. I'll drop the link to this Google Sheet below for anyone interested. But don't get too excited. This is just a small sample size, and you have to understand that past results don't guarantee future performance. While this algorithm performed exceptionally well in 2024, we don't know how it will fare in the future. All we can do is trust the process, follow the system, and resist the urge to interfere. How to use the algorithm. Most of you already know how to use it, but I haven't had the chance to explain the entire algorithm all at once. So here we go. Best way to break it down is with this diagram. First thing you want to do is to manage open trades. Do you have to move the stop loss to break even? What about the exit indicator? Do you have to close any trade because of the moving average? Once this is done, we'll move to the next step. Wait for 4:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to scan all pairs. I already explained in episode 9 why we trade 20 minutes before the close of the daily candle. Let's start with USD JPY. Did trend indicator number 1 and the moving average signal the trade? The answer is no. Both didn't signal any trade. So let's go to the next pair. AUD, CAD. Based on the moving average, we are really close to having a signal to short here. Trend indicator 1 agrees. Trend indicator 2 as well. Now, the last confirmation. Is there enough volume? No. So we move to the next pair. AUD, CHF. No signal from the FX sniper or the baseline. Let's move to AUD, USD. No trade here as well. You can see how this method is very simple. If yes, you do this, and if no, you do that. Unfortunately, I have no example of a real trade today, but let's imagine we're 2 weeks earlier. Is trend indicator number 1 and moving average are signaling a trade? Yes. Trend indicator number 2 agrees? Yes. Volume indicator agree? Yes. We would have entered a short here. 24 hours later, we would have started with managing open trades. We exit here because the price closed above the moving average. 2 candles later. Is trend indicator number 1 and moving average are signaling a trade? Yes. Trend indicator number 2 agrees? Yes. Volume indicator agree? Yes. We would have entered a short here and we would still be in the trade today. Live trading. In this section, I'll show you what my trading session looks like. Let me tell you up front, this isn't your typical YouTube short. You won't see a trader staring at their chart on fast forward pretending to call every single move. To be honest, I think most of them have no idea what they're doing. My trading sessions are the opposite. It's quick, and I don't have to stay in front of the screen the whole time. There's no guesswork and no emotions involved. Once I set up my trades, I can close my laptop and go back to my life. Before I show you how I trade every day, let me add some music to keep things less awkward. As you can see, it takes me less than 2 seconds to spot a potential trade. My goal isn't to be fast, but to ensure I never make mistakes. Because we use a simple strategy, we can trade multiple pairs without feeling overwhelmed. Like I said, once I'm done, I close my laptop and return to whatever I was doing. And that's my trading session. If you like this method of trading, you should like the video and subscribe to the channel. Conclusion. If I get 25 likes on this video, I will start posting my live trading session every day. If you like the idea or you have any proposition, let me know in the comment section. You now have a full system in your hand that you can start using today. It might sound stupid, but if you can follow a simple set of rules, you can trade for a living. I truly believe so. The only way to know if this algorithm fits you is to try it. Most traders will defend their strategy so quickly, but they never tried anything else. I tried both methods, and you guys already know where I stand for price action trading. And that will be the actionable advice of this video. Open a demo account and trade this algorithm for 6 months, consistently, every day without ever cheating. You don't have to drop your current trading strategy. Do both. If you don't like it, great. At least now you know and you learn something new along the way. Thank you everyone for watching. I'm having more and more fun creating these videos, and you guys are the reason I'm doing it. Like I always say, if I help one person, I'm doing my job. The only thing I'm asking in return is to help the channel. It's free. If you learned anything from the video and you think other people might benefit, please like and share the video. Subscribe and leave any comment below. It really helps the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Let's work.